Praise the name of the Lord. Amen. I'm so blessed to be here today. I thank God that I was invited. It's such a blessing to be invited here. I'm so happy to come and to join you. Praise the name of the Lord. Yeah, and also have this evening to say something. This evening I am privileged to say. So my name is Nyawera, yes, as you have been told. I'm in London at the moment. However, I come and go. I keep coming and going. Then I'm with Petra Church here in London and also in Kenya, the same ministry. I'm a pastor there in both places. Yeah, so I think that's all I'll say. Okay. Okay, I'm an eye doctor, an ophthalmologist and an eye doctor. Yeah. So all eyes must see. All eyes must see. So I thank God. I'm so blessed. You know, you will arise and have mercy on Zion. The time to favor her has come. You know, we're talking about this is the time. This is the season for my favor and for your favor. It has already come. The time that was set is now arrived. This is what God is saying. Praise the name of the Lord. Amen. Yeah. So we read Acts chapter 20 and verse 32. Acts chapter 20 and verse 32.